All auxiliaries not working. Check CCA fuse. If CCA good, check Q100 with DJ in closed condition. If Q100 de-energized, trip DJ, wedge Q100 in energized condition and resume traction. If unsuccessful, wedge all contactors as per requirement. Close DJ VCB by manually operation of Q118. Resume traction. If Q100 is energized, take safety measures, wedge all contactors as per requirement. Close DJ by manually operation of Q118. Resume traction. If CCA melted, open all auxiliary switches. Renew CCA and close DJ. If CCA holds, close BLCPA and BLVMT one after another and observe CCA. If CCA melts on closing BLCPA, change the position of HCP, ZCP. Renew the fuse and resume traction. If CCA melts, again on closing BLCP, put HCP, ZCPs on 0. Off and wedge C101, C102, C103 as per requirement. Create leakage from MR. Do not close BLCPA, BLCPD. Work the train and inform LC. If CCA melts on closing BLVMT, remove CCA. Wedge C105, C106, C107 and C101, C102, C103 as per requirement. Close DJ by manual operation of Q118 and work the train up to destination. If CCA melts again, put HOBA off in all locos. Renew fuse and close DJ. If CCA holds, resume traction. If not success, remove CCA. Wedge C105, C106, C107, C101, 102, C103 as per requirement. Close DJ by manual operation of Q118 and work the train up to destination.